To ensure a good quality fit on the variobase, it is essential to clean your implant crown that was printed with Straumann Signature Midas correctly. After printing, remove as much as possible of the resin with a paper towel. Remove the supports using a clipper. Once again, use a paper towel to remove as much as possible of the remaining resin. Use an interdental brush to remove the resin inside the screw channel hole. Perform the cleaning multiple times, as shown in the video. After removing manually, apply isopropylic alcohol. And ensure that it does not remain longer than 30 seconds on the crown per cleaning cycle. Use a paper towel and compressed air to remove the IPA completely. Now you can perform a second cleaning cycle to clean the outside once again with IPA. Remind, no longer than 30 seconds on the crown per cycle. Use compressed air to dry the crown completely before curing.